Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. Keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, once the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Polar Flow application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Polar Flow. And tap on search. You should see this application on the list. Polar Flow, tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Once the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, Bluetooth one. This one is required, so I recommend to tap on OK. Next we have the notification permission. This one is not required, so if you want to, you can deny it. But if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. So allow or deny the permission, and then you will see the welcome page. Tap on Get Started button, and here we need to log in into Polar Flow account. If you don't have an account, tap on Create an Account button right here and make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter an email and password. And then I'm gonna tap on Sign In. And after you log in and you don't have any devices connected to your account, you will see this page. It will redirect you to this page automatically. But if it doesn't, you can always tap on the More Options icon on this page, on the diary page. Tap on Devices, and then it will open the page. And once you see this page, you will need to enter the pairing mode on your watch. To do it, press the back button to open the menu. Then use the touchscreen or buttons to scroll through the menu, like that. Select the settings icon and then tap on it or press the middle button to enter. Here select the general settings, then select pair and sync, and then select pair and sync phone. The watch will enter pairing mode. The app should detect it automatically. Tap on start, tap on pair, confirm the pairing by pressing the middle button. Allow or deny the notifications, not notifications, my bad, location permission. This one is useful if you want to track your routes, like cycling, running on the map. So if you want to, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And here we can set up some settings for our, or change some settings for our Polar Grid X. We can select preferred wrist, we can change the time format, we can change the language, and we can also adjust the preferred sleep time. And once you're done, tap on Save and Sync. Okay, and once you see this page, you can tap on View Introductions if you want to see how to operate the watch. I'm just gonna tap on Close. And now we can tap on Devices right here in the menu. And you should see your Polar Grid right here in on the devices page. And again, you can change some settings like time format, language. You can set up the alarm, control the music or enable the music control, enable or disable the notifications, and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.